In my last video, I talked about the possibility of Amy Beth playing Six in Stranger Things Season 4. Now in today's video, I'll be talking about who else Amy Beth could be playing in the show. I already have 2 videos talking about the possibility of Amy Beth being in Stranger Things. There will be a playlist here so you guys can watch those 2 videos first before coming on to this one. Credit goes to And the Series fandom for creating the document containing the theory. Now without further ado, let's get started. Although in the last video we said we could debunk the possibility of Amy Beth playing Robin's love interest, we may just have to extract that statement. A role known as Vicky has been public since late 2019 when they released a list of names/descriptions for potential characters featuring in Season 4. Vicky, the stereotypical alt girl whose unapproachable appearance belies her lightheartedness, it seems that Vicky might prove as an ally to the gang as the season develops. Since then, there has been multiple audition tapes that surfaced online with readings for the character, though all but one has been deleted. Unfortunately for us, while writing this, that last audition tape was also removed. Now, all we have to prove this audition tape existed is a still from a fellow Stranger Things update account's theory video. Some fans have speculated that this role could be a co-worker of Robin and Steven at Family Video, a potential love interest for Robin, maybe even a love triangle between Robin and Steve, helping at the emergency center set up at Hawkins High School by the military. These details were assumed from the script the actress read off in the recently deleted audition tape, so we can't prove that, but keep that in mind if you want to understand this theory. Although this next theory is unrelated to Vicky, it could be related to Robin. Fans discovered Maya Hawke's real-life brother has a role in the show as well, which is still unknown. Is it possible Amy Beth could star alongside him and Maya as Robin's sister somehow in the story? This could fit with the fact that fans did notice some similarities between Maya and Amy Beth's look, so it's definitely possible. One of the main pros that could come out of Amy Beth playing anyone but Six is that she could then potentially play a recurring role in Stranger Things and not just a role in a few flashbacks or a standalone episode, though it remains to be seen just how long she will be in Atlanta. If she leaves at the start of June, then we may be able to connect her role to Six. Otherwise, if she doesn't leave until near the end of the summer, well then I guess that might make things a little more interesting. As far as theories go, there isn't much else to update on. Nothing has been revealed that necessarily debunks Amy Beth in Stranger Things, but nothing has been literally confirmed either, so now we will wait and hope that one or the other happens, hopefully the former. It is still very plausible that Amy Beth is filming something completely unrelated to Stranger Things, of course, though when it comes to the film's secret headquarters, which was a theory we mentioned in the previous video, there are still no updates on that being a possibility. She could also of course be filming for one of the 40 plus other confirmed productions that are being filmed in Atlanta right now, though there is just no way to guess accurately since there is little to no evidence linking Amy Beth to anything other than Stranger Things at this point. To finish off this video update, we thought we would bring up some fun facts that in one way or another connect to Anne with an E and or Renewal Potential. After all, this is an Anne with an E fan account. The first fun fact is related to how Stranger Things has cast Netflix original actors for minor roles before, just 2 of which are Abigail Cohen from Chilling Adventures of Sabrina, Fate Winx Saga, and Madeline Klein from Outer Banks. We should reiterate that their appearances in the series took place before either one of these actresses were cast in other Netflix originals, but it's worth noting the appeal that comes with casting fellow Netflix talent on the biggest Netflix original show, because now that these actresses have roles on other major Netflix shows, their short stint in Stranger Things is considered a little Easter egg that gets brought up time and time again. After all, Netflix's entire niche is acknowledging all of the talent that exists within their overall Netflix universe. And let's not forget all the Stranger Things actors that go on to inevitably join even more Netflix titles. So featuring Amy Beth, Anne with an E in the series, no matter how major or minor the role, would only add to that hype, and would also undeniably add to the hype of renewing Anne with an E. Lastly, something a few people mentioned in the comments, which a lot of people may not know, is that Stranger Things has referenced L.M. Montgomery's Anne of Green Gables on the show, the book in which Anne with an E was based on. What makes this fun fact so interesting is that there are not only 1 but 2 references to Anne of Green Gables in Stranger Things. The first time we see it mentioned is in Season 1 in a flashback Hopper has of his daughter with whom he used to read the book to. The second time we see it mentioned is in Season 2 when Hopper reads it to Eleven. Some fans have even speculated that the style of the dress that Eleven wore to the snowball in Season 2 could have been the Duffer Brothers paying homage to Anne's desire for her first dress to have puff sleeves. Eleven's puff sleeves. Fans of Anne of Green Gables probably remember that young Anne Shirley was dying for a dress with fashionable puff sleeves, but her strict maternal figure wouldn't sew her anything fancy. Anne did finally get her dress with puff sleeves and was over the moon with joy. In the snowball scene in the Stranger Things Season 2 finale, Eleven nervously walked out into the gym for her very first night out among other kids, wearing a dress with puff sleeves. Admittedly, they weren't quite as outrageously puffed sleeves as those Anne dreamed of in Anne of Green Gables. Still, the sleeves can't be a coincidence after Anne of Green Gables was featured earlier in the season. Just as Anne got what she really wanted with her puff sleeves, Eleven got what she really wanted wanted with a night out among people. Anne and Eleven are both orphans, so when we see Hopper reading Anne of Green Gables to her in Season 2, Episode 3, it's easy to tell that they are trying to make that connection between those two characters and their similar experiences. All things considered, maybe it wouldn't be a reach to assume the Duffer Brothers are Anne fans. So that's the end of this theory. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. For as long as I have been a fan of Anne with an E, like basically since the very beginning, Season 1, I just remember going on Twitter and seeing Amy Beth tweet about Stranger Things, so I'm sure most of us know that she's been a very big fan of the show since the very beginning. As I said in the first part of this video, she did even go live with Millie, and a few of the cast members even follow her. So yeah, it would be really cool to see her in the show. Thank you so much to And the Series fandom for creating this document and sharing the theory with me, perfectly explaining the theory. These videos would literally not exist without your contribution, so I thank you so much. Guys, please go follow them on Instagram. Thank you so much to And the Series fandom, Jazine Gables, _multifandom edits.1, Anne with an ELA, Ruby.Gillis.AWAE, TBD Stone, Sherbert.Cuthbert.Blythe, Anne fan memes, Muhammad, Anne_E.Doodle, Renata P03005532. For shouting out my video, if you would like to receive a shout out in the next video, all you have to do is retweet my tweet about this video, or you can share my post about this video on your Instagram story and tag me as well, please. Thank you so much to Raster for being my first ever channel member. If you would like to become a channel member, there is a join button below this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you guys enjoy my content. Let's try to reach 15,000 subscribers soon. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys soon with new Anne with any content. Bye! Mwah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you guys would like to see any what?